you ever wondered how do we breathe every second? Why does a tiny seed becomes a huge tree? Why do we get sick and how does our body fight disease? And what is the real difference between the living and non-living things? The answer to all these questions are hidden in one fascinating subject, biology.
Hello everyone, welcome to our Cambridge IGCSE Biology series on my Science Diary channel.
Whether you are preparing for your school exams, Cambridge assessment, or simply want to understand biology in an easy and interesting way, this series is for you. In this complete series, we will cover every chapters one by one and we will learn about all of these one by one, and we will also solve past paper questions and the multiple choice questions, diagram practice and exam tips and common mistakes uh, during in between these lessons. I won't just read the textbook. I will explain every concept using the simple English, real life examples, animations and diagrams, and easy trick to remember the difficult topics. And so, even if biology seems difficult today, by the end of the series, you will understand it with confidence. So, before we start our first lessons, here's a question for you. What makes something alive? Is a plant alive? What about a mushroom? Is a virus alive? Think about your answer and we will explore them together in our next episode. If you don't want to miss any lessons, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Share this series with your friend and let's make biology simple, interesting, and fun. I will see you in the next episode. Until then, keep asking questions and keep exploring science.